so pH 8.4. And I use my little, I just have my little rose quartz rolling pin. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my bath water and how I do my spray bottle. I use vanilla essence because I love the smell, the scent, as y'all see my candle. Okay, y'all don't have to, I do, but all you need is water. I put crystals in here. I put pyrite and I put black tourmaline for protection, and I put for abundance. I'm also gonna put like an aventurine, but this one doesn't fit, but I have like little clusters I have to find, but I just want to show y'all. So you could put crystals, anything in there. So let's start. So there's a lot of benefits to this. You could spray it for love if you're calling in love. You know, Valentine's Day is coming, guys. So, you know, y'all want to get into it. I wanted to bring y'all something nice that y'all could do. Anybody could do it. So if you don't have something, like if you can't stick it in, like, you know, pause. If you can't push it, it doesn't fit in the bottle. You can have like a little thing. This is lemongrass. So I use this bottle, but because y'all couldn't see it, I had to find a clear one. So basically you put that in there, and I put bay leaves, and I'm gonna tell y'all the benefits in a second. So bay leaves for prosperity, but you know, I'm always manifesting. So if I'm trying to call in, if you're trying to call in money and you're trying to, anything you're trying to do, let me tell you the trick, you have to feel it first with your heart. It's not nothing, no ritual, nothing. It's not no black magic. It's not no voodoo, none of that nonsense. It's your heart. You have to feel it. If you don't feel it, it's not gonna come. So I put this in because of what I'm calling in. I'm not gonna tell y'all because it's my business, right? You know, they got people that wish you bad. I return that negative energy back to you, honey. So I pour it in like this, but you can also use a funnel. But that's what you do. You just pour in the water, and you have rose water, right? See my bottle? Yes. There you go. So that's the bottle. Then I have the papers that I wrote down, all the benefits. Let's put this to the side so you can see it. So see, there's benefits. It says rose water benefits and uses. Hello, see I printed it out on my printer. I ran out of print paper. So it soothes the skin irritation, reduces skin redness, soothes sore throats, helps prevent and treat infections, contains antioxidants, heals cuts, scars, and burns, enhances mood, relieves headaches, has anti-aging properties, soothes digestion problems, and forms and doses. Okay, here's your forms and doses. Rose water is created by distilled rose petals with steam. Rose water is a fragrant and is sometimes used as a mild natural fragrance. Okay, so look it up. See? So I show y'all. So this is basically what I use. This is from Dollar Tree. It's $1. Okay. So I put my rose petal. This is for me to take a bath. So I also put my little, hello, yes, my little vanilla, my bay leaves. Okay. Yes, I do. And I have a rose quartz, but I don't put it in there. I don't have it with me right now, but I put it in there. Okay. And you just pour the water in. Yes, there ain't nothing to it. And if you want to get cute, you could go to Dollar Tree and get this one. And if you want to be bougie, you could use some Fiji water. Okay, let's be bougie. Because that's my middle name. They used to call me that when I was young, and I used to take offense to it. But honey, I don't care now. Now, I don't give two rats bananas. Okay, meow. So there you go. So you see, you just do some rose water, and I could drop this in now. Okay, my crystals, and stuff it up, you know, fill it up. I let it sit there, and tonight when I'm taking a bath, I basically, or if you take a shower, you don't have to take a bath. You could just pour it on you. You know, you could just like say, oh, I love myself, I'm beautiful. Oh, I love these. I love my life. I love this. I love that. You know. And and basically fall in love. Say whatever you want to manifest. If you want to manifest a man, if you want to manifest a woman, if you want to manifest a house, money, anything, a car, whatever your heart's desire, a job, whatever you want, you know, it's yours. It's already yours. If you could think about it and it comes to your mind, it's already yours. All right, my loves, thanks for watching. You know, happy Valentine's Day. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.